Hello everyone, my name is Miss Libby and I'm a children's librarian here for the Cleveland Public Library. Today we're going to be making kaleidoscopes of our future. The first thing we're going to do today is make sure we have all our supplies ready. We'll need a toilet paper tube, a piece of cardstock, scissors, tape, a bendy straw, a pencil, a ruler, mirrored paper, and coloring supplies. So to start, we're going to decorate our toilet paper tube, and I'm going to use markers. All right, all decorated. We're going to make a triangle out of our mirror paper. So we're going to measure 1.5 inches for each of our pieces. And then cut. Once you have your 3 pieces cut, you're going to peel off the covering. Next, we're going to tape them together into a triangle with the mirrored side inside. All right, all finished, and we'll set that aside for now. Next, we're going to cut a circle out of our cardstock. Once we have our circle, divide it into 4 equal sections. On each of these sections, you're going to draw something that you hope to see in your future. I drew a dog because I love dogs. I drew a pretty landscape because I hope to go out in nature and take lots of hikes. I drew a camera because I love photography, and I drew a stack of some of my favorite books. Next, we're going to take our straw, and we're just going to cut most of the straw off so we're left with our bendy part and about 1 inch of straw on either side. We're going to take our triangle and fit it inside of our toilet paper roll and cut off the excess. We're going to tape our straw onto the side of our toilet paper tube. Next, you'll cut a small hole in the middle of your circle using a pencil or a hole punch. You can ask Mom or Dad for help. And we're going to fit it onto the part of our straw. And there we have it. You can turn your kaleidoscope and you can look into your future. So there you have it, your kaleidoscope of your future. Thanks for tuning in, and keep logging those books for Summer Lit League.